Here's something to look out for when you buy a used Ranger XP. Went for a quick ride and stopped it to take a little break. Came back to try to start it again. This is what I get. You hear the fuel pump, all the lights come on, but nothing. Foot on the pedal, on the brake, nothing. So, did some research. One thing, when I bought this, I've never had to put my foot on the brake, so that was my first clue. So I did some research, found a sensor, and I dug around for where that could be, and ended up under the driver's side footwell, front footwell, right behind the tire, and this cover usually sits back here. So just a couple of these push pins, I took those out, got rid of the cover, and under a bunch of duct tape, this is what I found, is a little jumper to override the brake pedal to start. And so one of these terminals is just super loose. If I push that in there, after fiddling with that wire some more, I think I got it in there good. It's very, very loose in there. So what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna get rid of that jumper cable and get rid of this connector and just solder a jumper cable in there with some heat shrink. So let's get to it. So I'm gonna start by getting rid of this jumper. Take that out. That one's super loose. This one's in there pretty good. That's all that is. And I'm sure there's a proper way of backing out those terminals out of there, but I don't know what it is. So I think I'm just gonna break this thing. I'm not gonna use it again. Maybe. Dang, what do they make that out of? Plastic. It's covered in tape. I should probably disconnect the battery as well. There we go. So now we've got these two connections. So I ended up cutting off one of these spade connectors right here and just wrapped around the copper from the lead wire around what was left of the terminal, and I'll see if that makes it a little bit easier to solder.
Ain't pretty. Not pretty at all. Actually quite hideous. Very disgusting. Disgusting solder. But Now I gotta connect this one to that one.
Alright, well, that's the repair. I'll go ahead and wrap it in some electrical tape and zip tie it up here somewhere, maybe to one of these hoses or wires, and we'll call it good. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see if it worked.